be doing Diamond Glow on Vanessa today. This is a treatment that you can do. It's basically like a really good facial treatment. So what it does is it's going to extract your pores, exfoliate, and then also infuse serum into your skin all at the same time. And then you can choose different types of serums depending on your skincare concerns. And you can also choose different types of grits to use for the exfoliation depending if you have sensitive skin, normal skin, resilient skin, anything like that. Of course, there's no downtime with this, but you can expect your skin to look more plump and more brightness and hydrated afterwards. And your skin may also, of course, look a little red just due to the exfoliation, but it's just a great treatment to do maybe once a month for your regular facials. Tickles a little bit. And we are using the brightening serum on her. During this treatment, we also treat your lips and your eyes as well. No pain, right?
No pain. Last pass is what we call our lymphatic pass, so it's just going to help drain your lymphatic system. That feels good.
That's good. We just finished Miss Vanessa's Diamond Glow treatment to her face and her neck, and just in case you're wondering, this is what came out of her skin. So it did all that exfoliating and cleaned out those pores. And how do you feel, Vanessa?
It feels really like soft and smooth, and when you were doing the suction, it just felt like, you know, you were just massaging my face. So it feels really good right now.
Good.